बैठ खड़ा हो गया। आपको
downstairs roll machines. Let's go downstairs. Now you can see how process producing black. After complete upstairs 20 hours we take out and pass in that special machine. That machine we go down the steps. There is no touch. 22 minutes under 120 degrees Celsius. Oh, this is medium light tea. This one BOP broken orange pekoe, it's medium strong black tea. This one BOPF broken orange pekoe fannings, it's very strongest tea. This is tea dust, it goes to the tea bags. Refuse tea means stems, it's we don't drink, we use for compost. This is green tea. These two are the Sri Lankan best tea we call golden tea and the silver tea. These two never go through any other process. These tea dry by sun, only the natural process. And these two we pluck only, like this tip of the plant. So these two are the Sri Lankan best tea, it's like a medicine tea. Okay, let's go upstairs, now we can try nice cup of tea.
मीडियम वाली ड्रेस के दाम
एक सबकी लेंगे तो सुबह
बीओपी बीओपी प्रकाश कैसी है
हाफ कप
बता रहे हैं ना ओ